The Philippines, a paradise of breathtaking landscapes. Welcome to the Philippines, a nation that will mesmerize you at every turn. Wait, while enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. You're bound to fall in love with its magical views. Explore this tropical paradise and relax on its gorgeous sunny beaches. Walk around and learn about the important architectural landmarks in the Philippines. Be sure to try some of the most delicious Filipino cuisine for a unique experience. Be rewarded with beautiful sceneries, beaches, mountains, rainforests, or even majestic waterfalls. Visit its world-renowned natural wonders like the underground river, rice terraces, and much more. Go island hopping and see the diversity of the nation, one different to the other. A vast swathe of beautiful land, the Philippines offers you a holiday like never before. This unique and gorgeous place will make you want to return and explore more. Thanks for watching Travel Center. Subscribe to see more videos from all around the world.